We'll be back.
Ron said Denver 2 years ago had a tough time. They bounced back. Did you take that to heart when you told me after the game?
No.
Can you put a finger on why Carolina did not play the way it normally plays?
Got outplayed.
Is there a reason why?
Got outplayed, bro.
Was there anything Denver did defensively that, I know you'd seen them, studied them. Was it pretty much what you had seen on film? Was there anything different you think they put in for this game?
Nothing different.
Cam, do we sometimes, I know football players don't forget, but do we sometimes forget that defenses can still take apart any offense in this game?
Evan Mathis at podium 14.
No.
Cam, what did Coach tell you guys after the game?
He told us a lot of things.
Anything in particular that is memorable?
Nope.
Obviously, you're disappointed. You've won tremendous games before, and I know you've had some tough losses, too. Since it's on the biggest stage, it's difficult, I know, isn't it?
Can you put into words the disappointment that you feel?
Did you see anything that you didn't expect today?
They just played better than us. I don't know what you want me to say. It's like they made more plays than us, and that's what it come down to. We had our opportunities. It wasn't nothing special that they did. We dropped balls. We turned the ball over. Gave up sacks. Threw errant passes. That's it. They scored more points than us.
Can you put into words the disappointment you feel right now?
We lost.
Yeah, on that fumble, looking at the ball, you thought that you were trying to pick it up and extend the play, or is that why you didn't hit the deck hard?
No.
Did Denver change anything defensively to take away your running lanes?
No.
I know you're disappointed, not just for yourself and your teammates, because you guys talked about how you are a band of brothers coming in. And it's got to be real tough for everybody in that locker room.
Force down to throw the ball. You throw the football. That was game plan. Hold the box, one-on-one,
Well, he's there for less than 3 minutes, and it's not about a stopwatch, obviously. This is by far and away the biggest disappointment of his career, so you will learn it was
That's a hard
humbling.
spot.
It's a very hard spot.
It's a brutal emotion.